Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we tackle a common problem that Tor users might face on Debian. The problem at hand is that despite installing and running Tor, there seems to be an issue with logging as there is no log file present in the designated directory. Frustrating, right? But don't worry, we'll walk you through the solution step by step. So, let's dive right in and get this problem sorted out once and for all. Now, let's delve into the solution. To enable the logging feature for Tor, you'll need to make some changes in the Tor configuration file located at ector.torg. Within this file, you must uncomment the specific line that reads log notice file varlog tornotices.log. Enabling this line will allow Tor to write its logs to the specified file. Remember, it's crucial to opt for the notice level for logging to maintain security and privacy. This adjustment sets the foundation for resolving the logging issue. Once you've made the necessary configuration changes, the next step in the solution involves restarting the Tor service. Simply execute the command sudo systemtool restart Tor in the terminal. By restarting the Tor service, you ensure that the changes made in the configuration file take effect. This step is vital in ensuring that the logging feature is now up and running smoothly. With the Tor service successfully restarted, you can now monitor and view the Tor logs effortlessly. Using the command sudo tail f varlog tornotices.log in the terminal allows you to tail the log file in real time. By accessing the log file, you can observe the ongoing activities and statuses within Tor. This command grants you visibility into the system's operations, providing valuable insights for troubleshooting and monitoring purposes. In summary, by editing the Tor configuration file, restarting the Tor service, and tailing the log file, you successfully enabled logging for Tor on Debian. Now you're all set to track and analyze Tor's activities effectively. I hope this guide has been helpful in resolving the logging issue you encountered. Remember to like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Keep exploring and learning in the tech world. Until next time, happy coding!